Last week, we helped solve a complicated will issue that was turned down by the notary public. An Australian client, who I'll call Mr. R, found me through referral as he was facing an issue with his son, Mr. A's will. Tragically, Mr. A passed away from cancer last year, leaving behind a handwritten will. The family's ordeal didn't end there. When his dad tried to carry out the son's last wishes, he discovered that the Australian courts wouldn't accept the will because of concerns over its fidelity. So now here's where things got complicated. Although Mr. A and his family were Australian, and the inheritance was all in Australia, Chinese law applied to the will because Mr. A had been living continuously in China. As a teacher, in his final days, Mr. A, facing a sudden devastating diagnosis, quickly wrote a one-page will, witnessed by his mom. He left a plot of land to his sister and entrusted his father with the rest of his assets as sole executor. When Mr. R applied for probate in New South Wales, the court required proof from a Chinese legal expert that the will was valid under Chinese law. But every notary public that Mr. R had approached turned him away. They didn't want to handle a document in English or deal with the complexities of international law. So that's when Mr. R found us. I immediately saw a path forward. Under Chinese law, a handwritten will can be valid as long as it's written, signed, and dated by the testator with a clear state of mind. But I still needed more proof. So I set up a video call with his mom, who also witnessed her son writing and signing the will. She confirmed every detail. Next, I verified the identities and relationships of all three family members and double-checked Mr. A's birth and death certificates, since a will only takes effect after passing. With everything in place, I drafted a detailed legal affidavit and took it to the notary public. This time, with all the evidence lined up, the document was quickly notarized. The entire process, from first contact to the final official affidavit, took less than 1 week. Mr. R finally held in his hands the solution he had been searching for. If you're someone you know is facing a similar challenge, or if you want to make sure your will is legally sound and your wishes are respected, our team is here for you. We specialize in cross-border estate planning and have helped many families find peace of mind in even the most complex situations. Let us help you safeguard your legacy. Contact us now for a confidential consultation.